Did you recently complete a course or earn a certification? Don't just let it sit in your inbox. Showcase it on LinkedIn. Adding certificates to your profile boosts credibility and help recruiters notice your skills. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a certificate step by step and why it's a smart move, so let's get started. First, make sure that you have your certificates ready in your Google Drive or in your photos. Now, go to the three dots and make sure to manage the access. Make sure that everyone with the link has an access or can view this and go back. After that, you can now go to your LinkedIn and go to your LinkedIn profile. Find the Add section and go to the Recommended section. Under the Recommended section, you will see the options, different options. Go and click Add Licenses and Certifications. Enter the exact name of your certification. Type in the organization that provided the certificate. Enter the issue date or when did you receive this certificate. If the certification doesn't expire, just leave the expiration blank. Some certificates come with an ID or verification link. You can add them for credibility. You can also add the skills that is related to this certificate. And you can now go to media and add media. In my case, I will use the certification in my Google Drive, so I will click add a link and I will go back to the Google Drive and find the certificate that I have prepared earlier. Click the three dots again and copy the link. Go to the LinkedIn and paste the URL or the link. And there you have it. So you can add description regarding the certificate and click apply. Now that you have everything ready, you can now click save. Your certificate will be visible on your profile. Let's find the certificate below. Here is the newly added certificate. A strong LinkedIn profile isn't just about job experience. It's about proving your skills. Certifications show that you're constantly learning and improving, making you a more attractive candidate to recruiters and potential clients. And that's it. A quick and easy way to highlight your achievements and stand out on LinkedIn. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.